Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this rainbow look. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get to it. So for the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to be using Backstage. This is in the Patricia Bright palette, and I'll be using this brush here. I also did add the shade Heligent as a base coat. It's just like a light nude colour. I'm just going to be patting that in. Hopefully this turns out alright. I've never done a rainbow eye before in my life, so let's hope it does turn out okay. Now I'm going to just be getting my cotton wool pad and cleaning my brush. I'm actually going to be using the shade Birthday Cake right there. I'm just going to be applying that right there. Now this shade is actually not very pigmented at all, so we'll be applying another shade on top just to make it show up a little bit more. I'm actually going to use, just quickly, I'm going to apply a lighter blue on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to be using Ocean Deep right there. I'm just going to be tapping that in with this brush right here. That's so much better. Okay, moving back to the purples, I actually am going to be moving on to this darker purple, and it's in the shade Reckless. So I'm going to go into that shade, I'm just going to tap that in. And then I'm going to go back into the shade Ocean Deep. I'm just going to be blending them two together. Now I'm going to go into the shade Fruit Punch, and it's just this bright neon pink, and I'm going to be applying that just by the purple. I'm going to be doing the purple shade again. I'm just going to be reapplying that right here. So I'm just going to get a blending brush, just a small one, and I'm just going to be blending that out a little bit on top. I'm just going into the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I might actually use the shade Cavity. This shade right here, this lovely neon pink. So I'm going to dip into that, and I'm actually going to be using it by the purple just so it blends nicely together. So now I'm going to be jumping into the shade. Let's do Yes Peaches. That shade right there. And I'm just going to be applying that right by the pink. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to be moving on to the shade. I might be using Vitamin C first, and that's the shade right there, and also that's Honey Pot, where I'll be using that also very soon. Well, I might do, I'm not too sure yet. Let's just see how we go with this yellow first. I'm just going to be applying that right by that orange. Okay, so once I've done that, I might go into the shade Honey Pot quickly. So I'm just going to apply that right on top there. Just add a little bit of shimmer to the yellow. So now once I've done that, I'm going to be going into the shade Green Juice and maybe Trendsetter, I'm not too sure yet. So here's the shade Green Juice, and here's the shade Trendsetter. And I'm just going to be applying this right in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to be using a darker green, and I'm going to be doing that Trendsetter shade. I'm going to be using this brush here. I just used it for concealer while I was applying my concealer before the video. And I'm just going to be putting that on the inner corner of my eye. So once that's done, I actually am going to do my other eye, and then I'll apply my foundation, and then we'll do my under eye and also a little bit more on the inner corner. So yeah, I'll be right back. So now that I've done my foundation, my concealer, everything on my face, I'm going to move on to the under eye and then lashes. So for the under eye, I'm going to be using the shade Ocean Deep and Nobu. These two shades here. And first I'm going to be dipping into Nobu. And I'm just going to connect this shade here with that shade underneath my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to Ocean Deep. And I'm just going to be putting that not too far inwards as I won't have enough room for all the colours. I'm just going to be putting that right there, like on top practically on Nobu. We're looking crazy. Okay, so now I'm moving on to Fruit Punch. And I'm just going to be putting that over the top. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to be adding the shade Vitamin C like I did on the top eye. Now I'm not going to fit all the shades on like I did on top. I'm just going to do a couple of the shades. Okay, so once now that I've done that, I'm going to be applying the shade Green Juice and Trendsetter. And I'm just going to be applying Green Juice. Let's just do Green Juice first. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the shade Trendsetter. Okay, so now I'm going to go into shimmering. Just adding that on the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm going to be adding a bit of that shimmering onto my brow bone. Just to make everything pop. I don't know if I should add some glitter just to go down the face, like a little tear. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of wow. That colour right there, it's a glitter shade. And I'm just going to try and do a little tear. Cute. So I'm going to go into Ocean Deep. Just add a bit of blue to that. Okay, I'm going to add a couple more tears. I might just do it on one eye. I'm not too sure. So I'm just going to do another little tear. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just going to be applying a little bit of highlighter. And today, actually, I'm going to be using my Doll Beauty highlighter. The lid has broken off it, but here it is right here. And this is such a pretty highlighter. It's very blinding, so it's not subtle at all. So if you like, if you don't like subtle, then this is a good highlighter for you. Okay, so once you've done your highlighter, I'm going to be applying my lipstick. Now, literally the only lipstick I have and own that I really do love is my Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin lipstick, and it's nearly all gone, so I really need to get a new one. So I'm going to be applying this right here, and after this I'm going to actually apply my eyelashes off camera so you guys don't have to see that. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyelashes, and I'm just going to be doing that off camera. So yeah, I will be right back. So that is the finished look, and I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also comment down below on what you want to watch next. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.